What is up, you guys? This is D from IncomePub.com here with another video. This video that we're going to be doing today, we're going to talk about a couple different income streams for students. I have three websites that I'm going to introduce you guys to that could actually help you with your with some of your financial situations. All right, so the first site I want to talk about is Shutterstock. And a lot of people, I know you guys see a ton of images from Shutterstock, and maybe you don't know that you can actually instead of using the images, you can create the images to be used. And one of the good things about this is kind of like a passive income thing, so the more images that you actually upload, the more money you can make. So it's a real easy to sign up. You just create an account, and then you follow the guidelines and stuff like that, and start uploading images. Now, one of the things that I've seen on this site is that you can actually use your cell phone as well to upload some of the images. So you just scroll all the way down to the bottom to sign up, and then click on sell content. Let that load up, and then you just click here and just get started. Share your work and start earning. Join Shutterstock global community of contributors and earn money doing what you love. So this is basically how it works. You create, you submit, you get paid, and then you can also get paid for referrals too. They've paid out over $500 million in the last 15 years, which is pretty decent. And like I said, this can be a passive income because you're sitting back and you don't really have to worry about it all the time. If you got images that are selling, those images are going to sell constantly because you're going to make a percentage of every image that sells. And a lot of times people use these images for advertisements, websites, some even videos. You can see like let's go. I'm gonna show you guys something right here. This is a free image, Pixabay. Here we go. Let's look here on Pixabay. I'm gonna show you how it works. Okay, let's say you want to. You need images for your website, and Pixabay is will give them to you for free. But here's the thing: you're not always gonna get the image that is totally specific to your needs. So I was putting together a website yesterday, and one of the images that I needed, I couldn't find anywhere through my free resources. So I literally had to go look at Shutterstock for my images. So what I did was I searched for an image on Pixabay, and I needed a guy on computer. I think it was I was searching for. Let's see if that pulls up. Okay, yeah. See, and you don't get with the free sites, you don't get a lot of images to use. But if you look up here, you see where it says sponsored images, Shutterstock. Well, these are the type of images that you can actually create to get paid on. So let's click on that. It's gonna direct us back to Shutterstock. So if I wanted to create an account here, I could to download it. And the account is free, but for them. Let me see if I can figure out. Okay, here it is. Find a plan. Yeah, this is how you get paid right here. Okay, so you can get. I can sign up for Shutterstock and get 100. I can pay $199 and get 750 images. I can pay $169 and get 350. I can pay $99 and get 50, or I can pay $29 and get 10. Now, the way it works is if your image is one of those images that are selected inside of that basket when I go to check out from my subscription, then you are paid a percentage of that monthly fee. So and it's a small percentage, but the way you want to work Shutterstock is you want to constantly be creating content and constantly uploading. And I made money off of Shutterstock way back in the day. And I think it was Getty Images who I started with first. And it was Getty Images I started with first before Getty Images blew up and started dealing with celebrities and stuff like that. But it's a good way to make passive income off of things you're doing already. If you're walking down the street, you're doing something, you can take pictures of it. Now you have to be mindful of using content with people's actual images in it. Like if you out and about, let's say you know, and you're in New York one weekend and you're downtown, like you can't just be shooting, you know, down, you know, people walking across the street and stuff like that. You know, I mean, with their faces in it, at least I know that would be an issue. You know, but let's say, you know, you can capture some, you know, things like, you know, water boiling in a pot, making spaghetti, and then capture that as a video or image, or take a picture of that. And I don't know if I don't know if Shutterstock does video though, but I know it's a lot of these other sites that do videos. Let's see, because I probably can check it this way. If I go here, yeah, see, let's see if Shutterstock pops up. Computer. Let's just put in computer, and yeah, see, they do videos too. So okay, so we can go here, and let's, okay, you know what? Actually, let's go back. I'm gonna show you guys real quick. So let's go boiling water, and let's see what pops up for the sponsorship of Shutterstock here. Okay, so here we go. Look at this. I don't necessarily, I think that's like a scuba diver, but look, smoke right here. And this is easy. This is stuff that's easy to film that you could do with your iPhone or with your Droid. Look at this. Like, and people will use this. There's people that will have a need for this, you know? So if you just don't worry about the thought process, just go create and upload. And then what you can do is you can tailor it better in terms of how you're taking the images. Okay, so let's say you start getting more and more sales with a particular type of image, then duplicate that, scale that, and just continue to do it, continue to do it. Create a schedule for yourself and say, okay, I'm gonna get some exercise this weekend. I'm gonna go walk around and I'm gonna capture these type of images. You know, you can capture trees blowing in the wind. You can capture cars driving by. You know, you can capture 1,000,001 images with your smartphone. Now, if you got a professional camera, you can do that as well. I mean, either way it works, you know? So that's Shutterstock. And again, it's passive. This can turn into passive income for you. Okay, so don't vote it out yet and just be like, oh, well, you know, it's not a lot of money. But listen, when it comes to passive income, you want to plant the seeds and let it grow. That's all you want to do. Plant the seeds and let it grow. All right. So let's go ahead and close out of this. So again, that's Shutterstock.com. Or you can just go to submit.shutterstock.com. I'll leave a link of everything in the description of this video for you guys. All right, and it'll help you. You know. All right. So the next website I have for you is StuVia. Now, StuVia is an amazing concept that I came across a few weeks ago. It's perfect for you guys who take really good notes. Okay, so let's say you're in chemistry and you have an exam coming up, a popular exam coming up, and you're getting lectured, and your professor is telling you some key points, and you're writing these key points down, and you're going over everything he's saying, and you're taking some really excellent notes, and then you take those notes and then you bring them over to StuVia, you upload them, and guess what? You make money off your notes over and over again. Not just one time. You can make money off your notes over and over. So this is another passive income stream. Now, it's really like it's so easy for you to get started with them. And I was trying to sign up for it. I don't take notes, so I'm not a college student. Been out of college for a long time. But when you try to sign up for their service, you have to click on the upload, and then this is how you sign up. This is the steps to sign up. But look, let's go here real quick. I want to show you guys something. Okay, so earn money with existing work. So this is old work that you can earn money with. So if you already have some amazing notes taken, you can literally come here and it's uploaded and earn money. Give your notes a second life by putting them for sale. All right, top sellers earn thousands of dollars. The right material at the right time is worth a lot of money. Like I said, like say you're taking chemistry and it's a popular subject. If you have those notes and they're really good, boom, you can upload them here. And every download is worth money because everything works digitally. You can sell one document 100 times. That's passive income, you guys. Just upload it once, set it and forget it, and then you're good to go. Like, you have nothing to worry about. So what is it going to hurt you if you already have the notes, and you're already producing the notes? I check all the Facebook groups and stuff like that, and see any bad reviews for anything like that. So here's some of the questions that, some of the frequent questions people have. What will I earn by selling? All right, so every time a document, flashcard, or bundle is sold on StuVia, you earn money. The price is completely up to you. Smart sellers experiment with their pricing to find optimum price points. So you have control over what you want to sell those notes for. You have control over that. Do your research and just see what other people are doing, because I know there's a ton of people out there. There's even some groups out there on Facebook that can help you with this. Okay, so what are the cost involved? Selling on StuVia is completely free. When you sell a document, you will pay a small commission from your sales price automatically. It's a win-win situation for everyone. Okay, so here's a good question. When will I receive the money I've earned? All right, so the relevant amount will be deposited on your StuVia profile after each sale. As soon as you earn more than $10, you can arrange to have that amount of money withdrawn. Okay, so they're going to transfer those funds that you have arranged and direct deposit those into your bank account on the following Monday. All right, so keep that in mind. What can I sell on StuVia? On StuVia, you can sell any study material of which you own the copyright to. Now, make sure it is your content. Make sure it is your stuff, okay? Because you don't want to, fall into some issues. All right? Think of book summaries, lecture notes, study guides, case studies, essays, and so forth. And those are the things that you can, basically make money off of. All right. So the sign up process is really easy. Just click on the up now button. And I think, let me see, wait, I don't think I had to go anywhere specific, no. Yeah, so you can come and read about it, copyright, selling tips, and here's some of that. They have a whole page full of selling tips that you guys can actually study from, and learn from, so it's a good opportunity. Like I said, again, this is passive income. So you're taking notes, you're not getting paid for them now, so why not just upload them and see if you can actually make some money off of them? And I'm quite sure if you're a good note taker, you will actually make money. It's definitely, it's more than worth a try. I would really try to focus on making this a part of your income stream, because this can pay you. This can pay you long after you're out of college. So if you're taking 4 to 5, documents of notes every day or more, then think about the possibilities of what you're going to hit if you upload those documents on a regular basis. It's going to help you out. All right, so let's leave from there. So again, that website is www.StuVia.com, and I'll leave a link in the description below as well. All right, totally free. All right, so the next site I found very interesting. And I found this one a couple weeks as well, and I kind of put it in my pile of sites, my money-making sites. And I thought to myself, well, wait, hold on. You really need to only be a teacher to teach. No, this website is called TakeLessons.com. And it's basically, you're getting paid to be a tutor, okay? And it works really, really, really good. You create a professional profile, receive fully paid students. Now, these are students that already have subscriptions to the site already. So if you have something that you are good at, like, you can actually literally make money here teaching something. Okay, look at this: 2.7 million lessons taught, $50 million in teachers' earnings, 60,000 student reviews, and the top teachers make $227,000. Amazing. Here's some of the lessons that you can teach, and it looks like I thought this was online, but it looks like you can do it locally too. But it's piano, singing, guitar, violin, drums, ukulele, saxophone, Spanish, Hindu, English, Korean, German. I mean, if you know any of these languages, you can teach that. If it's dance, acting, drawing, like you have any of these skills, you can literally make money off of it. Now, this is not so much passive income. I don't know. I really don't know because I'm not a teacher. So I don't know if you can actually sign up for this and upload stuff and leave it uploaded where people can learn from it, or if it's video based or anything like that. If anybody knows, let me know in the comments below. But it's still, to me, it was still a really, really good site for college students to actually come and make additional money on what they're trying to do. Okay, so here's some of the top online lessons. Online guitar, online career lessons, online French. Like this is amazing. Like online violin, live classes. They have live classes too. Learn how to play piano, learn how to sing. So I'm guessing this is possibly a means to make passive income if this is live and these are not. So you can upload your lessons already and just have them sitting there and have your students come and grab those lessons. This is not just for college students either. This is good for actual teachers too. Or people, or if you have a skill like Adobe Photoshop. Like I actually might sign up to this to teach some Photoshop because I'm good with Photoshop, or to teach some web design because I'm good with web design. I'm definitely really, really good with WordPress. I'm good with Microsoft Excel. I'm good with Office. I might sign up with this, just to see how it works and see if it can actually, be a passive income generator. But ton of courses and easy to sign up. You just sign up here. Now, one of the things I noticed that I tried to click on this link before and it came up that I needed to disable pop-up security. So, and I did, but it's a couple form areas here you got to fill out, and boom, you join the community, and then you go from there. You can teach lessons and stuff like that. Let me see, student stories about TakeLessons. Let me see where. Let's see if we can go inside of here a little bit. Well, this is the main page. So, popular online teacher. Okay, so you get rated for your work as well. And here are some of the again, another section of the lessons. Ton of lessons here. There's a ton of lessons here. But I mean, you guys, listen. Try it out. Okay, try it out. You're looking to make money online. I'm giving you 3 surefire ways to make some money online. I'm gonna be trying to drop a video every single day on the same subject and trying to just help people either create additional income, substitute a 9-to-5, college students, regardless of who you are. These sites can help you as well. Make some additional money, and that's what it's all about, is generate an additional income. All right. So do me a favor, please make sure you like, subscribe, hit that bell notification. If I'm giving you guys value, please leave a comment. Let me know. Let me know what it is you guys want. All right. And again, my name is D with IncomePub.com. Catch you guys on the next one.